Wait, am I in trouble? This is my first day in New York.
Maya is driving to her hotel. She is very nervous. This is her first time driving in a big American city. But something is about to happen.
Suddenly, Maya sees blue and red lights behind her. It is a police car. The police officer wants her to stop. Maya's car. What did she do wrong? She came to New York. She wanted her trip to start.
Waits. A police officer gets out of his car. He walks so slowly to Maya's window. Maya is very scared. She's never talked to a police officer before. She hopes she is not in big trouble. The officer arrives at her window and speaks. Maya is not sure why the officer stopped her. She speaks politely.
I'm not sure. Was I driving too fast?
The officer looks at her calmly. He asks for her documents. May I see your driver's license, please? She gives him her license.
The officer explains why he stopped her.
You were driving 45. This road is 30. That's too fast.
Maya apologizes immediately.
Very sorry.
I understand, but speeding is dangerous. It can hurt people.
Yes, I understand. I'm very sorry.
This time, I'll give you a warning.
Thank you very much.
Here is your license. You may go now. Drive safely.
Okay, no more speeding. I just want to get to the hotel now. Finally.
Maya finally arrives at her hotel. She parks the car and gets out. It's nice. She's trusted and near onto sighting. She is very good here. First, she needs to check in at the front desk.
Maya walks into the hotel lobby. It is beautiful and clean. She sees the front desk. Maya Neil Welka Sabalzer, the wise afternoon. Welcome to your friendly voice. Finally, something is going well today. Hi, I want to check in. May I see your passport, please? Yes, here you go. Thank you. Let me check your booking.
The agent finds Maya's booking in the computer. She reads the details.
You have a room for 3 nights. It is a king room. Is that correct?
Maya nods happily.
Yes, everything is right. Hello, welcome to the King Plaza. Checking in? Yes, my name is Maya Sharma. Perfect. I have your King Deluxe room for 3 nights. That's right. Thank you. You're all set. Enjoy your stay. It is for extra costs. For example, minibar or room service. If there is no extra cost, you get all the money back. Okay, here is my card.
The agent completes the check-in. She gives Maya her key card.
The Orion is 5 room much. Breakfast is free 11 a.m. It's from 8 to 10.
Maya smiles. She is finally going to her room. Maya leaves the front desk. She walks toward the elevator. The lobby is quiet now. She finds the elevator on the left, just like the agent said. She presses the button and waits. The elevator stops on floor 5. The doors open. Maya steps into the hallway. She looks at the room numbers.
Room 512. Where is it?
She walks down the hallway. Maya finds room 512. Finally, she is so tired. She puts the key card to the door. The light turns green. She opens the door and steps inside. But something is wrong. This does not look right. Maya looks around confused. What is this?
This is a closet, not a room. Maya cannot believe it. She walked into the wrong door. This is a closet, not a room. There is no bed here. There is no bathroom, just shelves and cleaning things. Maya is so tired and now this. She needs to call the front desk. Hello, this is the Afi Hotel for I think there is a problem. I booked a king room, but this room is small. Is this the wrong room? I'm very sorry. May I have your name, please? My name is Maya. Do you have your reservation number? Yes, it is 007. Thank you. I'm checking the system.
The agent checks the system. Her face changes. She has bad news.
I'm sorry, we do not have a king room now.
Maya cannot believe it.
What? I booked a king room. This is not okay. I understand. I'm very sorry about this. Please wait a moment. I need to talk to my manager. Good news. We have a solution.
The agent returns with good news.
Okay, thank you for waiting. Good news. We have a king room now. We can change your room today. We are very sorry for the mistake. That is good. Thank you for helping me. Maya changes to a new room. A hotel staff member helps her with bags. They go to floor 6. Room 612 is her new room. Now I can finally sleep. Maya is so happy.
Maya is in her new room. She lies on the bed. She is so tired.
But wait, why is it so hot? Is the AC on?
Maya looks at the air conditioner. It is not working. She presses buttons. Nothing happens.
No answer.
Maya calls the front desk again. She is very tired and frustrated.
Hello, front desk.
Excuse me, I'm in room 612. The air conditioner is not working. Okay, thank you.
A maintenance worker stands there.
Hello, I am from maintenance. I am here to check the air conditioner.
Maya steps aside. The worker goes to the AC unit. He looks at it carefully.
I checked the air conditioner. It is broken. We cannot fix it now. It will take a long time. You need to change rooms.
Oh no, I just unpacked my bags. Do I have to move?
Yes, I'm sorry. The front desk will help you. We can help with your bags. I'm very sorry for the trouble. We have a new room for you. It is room 6 down the hall.
I am so tired. I just got off the plane. This is not a good experience.
I understand. I'm very sorry again. Dinner tonight is free. The spa is also free.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your dinner and spa.
Maya opens the door to room 618. She looks inside. It is nice. There is a big, comfortable bed. There is a window with a view. The air conditioner is working, finally. Room steps inside.
She is so tired. Let's see what I can order. Hi, this is Maya. I am in room 618. I want to order dinner. I also need dry cleaning.
Of course, your dinner is free tonight. This is for the air conditioner problem.
Thank you.
The room service attendant asks for her order.
What would you like for dinner?
I would like a steak, medium.
Okay. Would you like a salad and water?
That's good.
Yes, mashed potatoes, please.
Thank you. Do you need forks and napkins?
Okay.
The attendant continues. What time would you like dinner?
7:30. Okay, dinner at 7:30. Now, about dry cleaning. What clothes do you have? Okay, pick up tonight or tomorrow.
We'll come in 15 minutes. Do you need a laundry bag?
Yes,
One more hanger?
no problem.
Dinner at 7:30, dry cleaning in 15 minutes. Is that correct?
You're welcome.
Have a nice evening.
The next day, Maya is at the airport. Her vacation continues.
I'm at the airport. I need a phone SIM card.
She looks around. She sees a phone store.
Let's go.
She walks toward the store. A friendly employee is inside. Maya enters the phone store. The employee sees her and smiles. Hi, welcome to Wireless Hub. How can I help you? Maya approaches the counter.
Hi, I have a phone. I need a SIM card.
Okay, no problem. The employee asks Maya a question. Are you new to America?
Yes, I just arrived.
Great. Do you want prepaid or monthly? Sorry, what is prepaid or monthly? The employee smiles. The employee explains. Prepaid means you pay first. You pay every month. There is no contract.
Okay, I want prepaid.
Sure. Do you want unlimited data?
How much per month?
It's $50 a month. This includes calls, texts, and data. Maya makes her decision.
Okay, I want this plan.
Great. Can I see your passport?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Here is your SIM card. Maya takes the SIM card. She is excited to have phone service in America.
How do I pay every month?
You can pay online or in the store. Okay, I will pay online.
Perfect. Yes, I'm connected. Now let's rent a car and drive to the hotel.
Maya leaves the phone store. She looks at her phone. It works perfectly. She feels happy and ready. Now she can navigate, call, and use data.